Around 1.8 billion people, more than 20% of all the global population, lack of adequate housing. This means that roughly a quarter of the world's population does not have access to housing that meets basic standards of safety, privacy, and essential services. The global cost of housing has increased an average rate of 7.3%, and this increase attributed to factors such as rising demand of housing and a decrease in the number of available properties. Another huge problematic is the construction industry. Globally, it contributes to 40% of environmental pollution through various means, including air, water, waste, wildlife, and resource depletion. The life cycle of traditional construction materials is poorly managed. According to a study, essential construction materials in residential building has highlighted that ceramics, cement, and steel are materials with significant impacts, mainly related to toxic substances. And if we look to the global industry, the global plastic waste management system is inefficient, with less than 20% of plastics being recycled globally. And how can all these problematics can be transformed into an opportunity area of a product?
This isn't a utopian fantasy. This is the future we're building at Gama Construction.
We transform industrial waste, destined for landfills for millennia, into sustainable, affordable building materials.
So basically, we take these residues, process them in a process of trituration and cleanance, and then we transform all these residues into construction panels. As you can see in this slide, these are the dimensions of our panels, and they replace bricks and other wall systems that are used in construction.
Our innovative system cuts construction time by 75% and cost by 70%. We go beyond time and cost by reducing water consumption by 90% and energy saving by 40%, making construction viable in places where water and energy are limited. In our production process, we reduce carbon footprint by 90% use 20% less energy, 40% of our prime material is recycled, and use 5% less water compared to traditional materials.
And we've proven our concept of Gama construction through more than 15 projects, including houses, departments, and integral furniture. So let me share with you some of our success stories. Casa Hidalgo, a house located in Hidalgo, Mexico, designed entirely to be created with Gama construction materials. A house with large clearings that diffuse the warmth of the climate, surrounded by the difference in the volume of the terrain to appreciate the nature of the place. Unipersonal modules, an innovative concept that looks to tackle the necessities of the industrial zone and the growing demand of a comfortable but economic and simple place for workers and executives to rest. We've created with Gama Construction 9 departments with a unique proposal of integral furniture within them, easing the rental of these models by reducing furniture expenses to the user. The freedom in architectural design hasn't felt that real. Using Gama panels for creating unique decorations in any construction project is possible with us. The lightness and malleability of our product makes it as easy as pasting and cutting to create volumes and beautiful architectural furniture and decorations. And finally, to demonstrate that our product can be implemented in almost any construction project, we share with you some photographs, since pet houses to integral furniture, creating since chairs to a house for my pet. And finally, to demonstrate that in a world where more than 20% of people lack adequate housing, where construction pollution contributes significantly to environmental degradation, and where traditional construction materials pose challenges due to their environmental impact, Gama Construction is changing this status quo.